Okay, so now we're going to use our prefix and suffix cards to match with a root. So you can go ahead and pick up the first word.
Behave.
Okay, and then you can go ahead and go through and see if you can find
Rebehave. Imbehave. Non-behave. Pre-behave. Behaveness. Misbehave. Behave-ish. Behaveful. Unbehave. Behavior. Behave-is. Behavement. Well,
Okay.
misbehave sounds more... That makes sense.
That makes sense. Very good. Okay, so what does it mean if you misbehave?
Not following rules.
Very good. So what if behave means to follow the rules, what do you think that miss means when it's added to that?
Not following the rules.
Not following the rules. So miss means not. Very good. So go ahead and write that down if that is a prefix or a suffix. Okay. So behave you can go ahead and put over here because we already used that one. Okay. And then you can go ahead and pick up a different root.
I'll use impossible. Or possible.
Possible. Okay.
Repossible. Impossible. Non-possible. Pre-possible. Possibleness. Mispossible. Possible-ish. Possible-full. Unpossible. Possible-er. Possible-ist. Possiblement. So impossible sounds like the most that makes sense.
Very good. So what does impossible mean?
Something that someone can't do, like it's like you can't do it.
Very good. So if possible means you can do it, what do you think that im means?
Can't do it.
Can't or not possible. Very good. Okay, so go ahead and write that down if you think that is a prefix or a suffix. Remember that prefix, something comes before the word.
Okay, we're gonna do school. Reschool, M-school, non-school, preschool, schoolness, miss-school, school-ish, schoolful, unschool, school-er, schoolist, schoolment, preschool sounds
Very good.
normal.
Okay, so just like prefix, that's something that comes before the word. What do you think that pre means if it's preschool?
Like first school?
Think about, okay, so what is school is like just school.
General
So what does it mean when you go to preschool? Like what is it?
for little kids.
Yeah, it's for little kids, like who are going before they go to school. So what do you think that pre means?
Before.
Before. Very good.
Oh.
Just like prefix, something comes before the word.
I'll do agree. Re-agree, im-agree, non-agree, pre-agree, agreeness, misagree, agree-ish, agreeful, unagree, agreeer, agreeist, agreement sounds...
Agreement. Very good.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So what does it mean when you make an agreement?
Someone, someone knows what you're saying, like they think it's like what they're saying.
Mm-hmm. Or like if you come to an agreement, that means that like maybe two people have a different opinion, but they came to an agreement. They're going to come to a conclusion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So do you think that meant, is that a suffix or a prefix?
Suffix.
Suffix. Very good.
Do you want me to put? Oh, it's back. Okay. I'll do sense.
Okay.
Resense, imsense, nonsense, presense, senseness, missense, sense-ish, senseful, unsense, sense-er, sense-ist, sensement. I think nonsense.
Nonsense. Very good. Okay, so what does it mean, nonsense?
Like it's... Like they think it's absurd, like they think it's crazy.
Yeah, it's nonsense. Okay, very good. So is nonsense, is that going to be a prefix or a suffix?
Prefix.
Prefix. Why?
Because the prefix is first before the suffix.
Or before the word.
Or before the word.
Yes, very good.
Okay, now we're going to do child. Rechild, in-child, non-child, pre-child, childness, child-miss, childish, childful, unchild, child-er, child-ist, child-meant.
You can go through. Why don't you try? So, rechild. Does that sound like it would be a word?
No.
Okay, so let's eliminate that one.
Okay.
Okay. Imchild.
No.
Nope.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Non-child.
No.
Pre-child.
No.
Childness. Think about how you might use that in a sentence. That's childness. Does that sound right? No.
Wait, childish.
Childish. Very good. Okay. So, what does the word childish mean? Like, if somebody's being childish.
They're like, when they're older, they act like a kid.
Okay, they might be acting like a child. Very good. So, ish means, what do you think? What other words have you heard? Can you be, he was biggish. He was like, I'm trying to think of how else you could use ish.
Like, when something's like, kind of, sort of.
Yeah, so ish is like kind of, sort of. It's not completely, but it's kind of like, so you're kind of like a child. Okay? Alrighty, so what do you think? Childish, is that going to be a prefix or a suffix?
Suffix.
Very good. Why?
Because suffix is first and the pre-word.
Because does the suffix come before or after the word?
Suffix comes after.
After the word. So here's your root, and this is the suffix. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these different prefixes and suffixes that we have here. And let's see if maybe we can come up with one word using a prefix or a suffix. So, Can you think of a word that ends in er?
Her. Or, wait, does that make sense? Her. Like
Her.
The genders.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ist.
Hist.
Ist.
Oh, ist.